Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you a new fan I got today. This is a Holmes Blizzard. Now, I don't think I have ever owned a Blizzard fan, so that is why I got this. So, I got it at Goodwill for $5, and at first my mom was kind of hesitant to get this for me. But I said, I've never owned a Blizzard fan, so eventually she just said, you know what, fine, I'll get it for you. So, here's the fan. It tilts. There's the side. The back. The other side. The top. The bottom. That side. And that side. We are going to put this thing on low. So here we go in 3, 2, 1. Also, this fan is really dirty, so I'm probably going to clean it soon. I think I've had one of these, but it was rebranded by Duracraft. And I missed that fan. I missed that Duracraft I had. It's blowing out a decent amount of air for a small fan on low. I ain't complaining, y'all. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Actually, it's yes, sir, yes, sir. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Also, this fan can be wall mounted. I might actually mount this on the wall. Alright. Next up, high speed. Well, that's low. That's high. That's high, that's high. Yeah, the breeze actually feels really good. Next up, wind down. Oh, that's low. There, it's a wind down. Alright, well, thank you all for watching, liking, commenting, and subscribing, and we'll see you all in the next one. Peace out until then.